Dear students, hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson from Unit 2, The Night the Ghost Got In, which is written by James Grover Thurber. Let me give you a brief introduction about the author. James Grover Thurber was an American cartoonist, author, humorist, journalist, playwright, children's book author, and a celebrated wit. He was best known for his cartoons and short stories published mainly in the New Yorker magazine, such as The Catbird Seat, and collected in his numerous books. He was one of the most popular humorists of his time, as he celebrated the comic frustrations and eccentricities of ordinary people. He wrote the Broadway comedy The Male Animal in collaboration with his college friend Elliot Nugent. It was later adapted into a film starring Henry Fonda and Olivia de Havilland. His short story, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, has been adapted for film twice, once in 1947 and again in 2013. This is a story of one night titled The Night the Ghost Got In, the author's house. Now this is an extract from a book by James Thurber, My Life and Hard Times. It is an autobiographical story. That means the author is writing about himself. Now let us look into the characters. James Grover Thurber, the narrator, Herman, brother, father, and Roy brother. They had gone to Indianapolis but were expected home at any time. Mother, grandfather, Bardwells, that is Mr. and Mrs. Bardwell, neighbor, cops, and reporters. The summary of the story goes like this. The narrator heard a strange sound at their dining room. He thought it might be a ghost, but his mother thought it as a thief. So he threw her shoes at Mr. Bardwell's window to seek help. The police came and ransacked their house during search. Grandfather mistook them as deserters and shot at them. The police stated that there is no sign of thieves entering into the house and left the house with injury because of gunshot. Next morning, the grandfather told that he came to the dining room for water the previous night. You can have a look at the glossary. The central theme of the story is supernatural. This story asks readers to accept the existence of the ghost mentioned in the title as a plausible, if uncommon, explanation for what occurs in this article. Although it seems very unlikely that a real ghost would have created a disturbance in the house, Thurber gives readers overwhelming evidence that the sounds that he heard were indeed supernatural. For instance, the police check the house and say that all of the doors and windows are locked from the inside. Nothing in the house is said to have been taken by burglars, and the father and brother, who are at first assumed do have come home from Indianapolis early, do not in fact appear in the story. This is a short recap of the story, which is in the form of the mind map. The moral of the story is misunderstanding always leads to chaos. Thank you.